Hey YTPC, just a quick video. I have had a little bit of tongue bite here recently, in the last day or so, and here's my repair kit. Basically, you can use room temperature coffee and drink that and let it soothe your tongue. You can also use this product here, Biotene, and you can rinse with that. But to be honest with you, this guy right here seems to be giving the best results for me. It's just a bottle of cheap red wine. I don't drink it. All I do is just take a little bit in my mouth and gargle it, swash it around, let it hit and coat my tongue for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then I spit it out, and in less than a day's time my tongue bite is gone. Hope these tips help.